moving objects in Blender. So currently we have the cube selected, right? So there's different methods of moving our object in Blender. However, I will be going through a number of them, right? And then you can just select whichever object or option is better for you to follow. Okay, so currently we have the red line and we have a green line, and over here we have a Z line, which is then a blue line. However, you're currently not seeing it because it's not shown in the viewport. But if you go over here and browse or move the cursor over the icon, you can then see it says move, right? Which the shortcut is shift spacebar G, right? So if you press G, and then you can move the object around. Okay, so currently I press G and now you can see that I'm moving the object around. Okay, so I'm just going to right click to deselect it, and it's moving to the default place. Okay, so if I do go over here and select the move tool, now I can go and select this, and you can see that it gives me different axis. Remember that the viewport is a 3D space, so that means that we can move it in 3 directions, which is the Y, which is the green, which is the X, which is the red, and which is the blue, which is the Z, right? So it's 3D viewport and we can move it in different spaces. So I'm just going to undo that for the purpose of showing what you can do next. So next we have the rotate, right? So you can rotate it over here just like that and like this. However, it's based on looking at the object and rotating it, right? So I'm just going to undo this again, and then we have the other option, which is the scale, right? And like I said, you can just keep the cursor or hover the cursor over it and it will show you a number of shortcuts and what the tool should be used for. So scaling it, you can then now scale it in different axes or directions. Okay, and now I'm just going to undo that as well, and we have another tool, which then is the transform tool, and as you can see, it currently has all the tools combined into one tool. For example, we can scale over here and then we can just rotate, and as you can see, as soon as you go over to the tool, you see that it's highlighted. Like for example, the blue tool, if we go over it, it's highlighted, so it shows that we're going to rotate or move it in the direction that it can go. Okay, and just like that. So let's just undo that once again. So there's another option of moving tools precisely. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to the move tool so we have a better view of the object, and then we're going to press N to bring out the side menu. Okay, so currently it shows transform, which is under the icon tab, right? It shows transform. So if you wanted to move it in the X direction, you can see now you can move it in X direction, and this is just by me selecting it and then just moving it sideways to increase it or decrease it, and you can do that in any direction and just like that. Okay, so I'm just going to undo that as well, and now we can then rotate it as well in different directions. Okay, and we can then scale it in different directions. So that's the easy way of rotating and moving in the 3D space.